everyone, again welcome. Today we are showing you amazing and unique ideas of burlap and jute craft recycling. In this video we will explore beautiful jute and burlap recycling craft ideas that transform everyday materials into eco-friendly home and X-Mex decor. Using old jars, cardboard, bottles and fabric scraps, we will bring new life to forgotten things, all with the natural charm of jute and the rustic texture of burlap. So grab your materials, take a deep breath, and let's create something mindful, meaningful, and magical together. There's something special about crafting with recycled materials. Every old piece holds a story: a jar once filled with memories, a box once used for gifts, a fabric once part of something loved. By reusing these pieces, you give them new purpose while caring for the earth. When you work with jute and burlap, you work with nature itself. Soft fibers, earthy tones, and texture that brings warmth into any space. It's more than decoration, it's a reminder that beauty doesn't have to be bought, it can be created. Now let's explore some amazing jute and burlap recycling crafts that you can easily make at home. Jute wrapped mason jars candle holder. Take an old mason jar, wrap it in jute rope and tie a small burlap bow. Add a candle inside and you have a glowing rustic accent perfect for your table for X-Mex or X-Mex corner. Burlap wall hanging. Cut a piece of burlap, paint a simple X-Mex tree, snowflakes, or your favorite quote. Frame it or hang it with a stick. It's natural, minimal, and warm. Use an old wire hanger or cardboard ring, wrap it with burlap strips, add pine cone bells and tiny ornaments. These eco-friendly wreath looks stunning on door or walls and brings that handmade charm to your decor. Take an empty glass bottle, cover it with jute, rope or burlap fabric and decorate with lace and tiny dried flowers. It's perfect for table shelves or as a thoughtful handmade gifts. Use an old tray or box, line it with burlap, add pine cone, candles and ornaments. These centerpiece adds a cozy rustic looks to your X-Mex dinner or living space. Each of these projects not only enhance your home decor but also helps reduce waste, a perfect balance of creativity and sustainability. Crafting with jute and burlap isn't just about decorating. It's about being present when your hands are busy and your mind slows down. You enter a calm, creative space. You feel the texture of jute under your fingers, the soft couches and burlap fabric. With fabric, every cut, wrap and knot, your stress fades away. These simple crafts remind us the beauty lies in imperfection. The small frayed edges, the unveil, sustainability, and these simple crafts remind us that beauty lies in imperfection. The small frayed edges, the uneven layers, they tell a story of authentic handmade art. So as you create, breathe deeply, let the rhythm of creating brings peace, focus and gratitude. If you love making these crafts, consider turning your passion into a small craft business. Handmade jute and burlap items are always in demand, especially around X-Mex and festive season. You can sell them online at local craft fairs or even through social media. Each piece you create carries authenticity, something no factory can reproduce. Start by sharing your process. Show people how you recycle and transform old things into something beautiful. This honesty and creativity connect deeply with eco-friendly, eco-conscious buyers. Your art can bring income, inspiration, and environmental awareness all in one. As we wrap up, remember, crafting is not just about making things, it's about making moments. With just jute burlap and a little imagination, you can create wonders for your home and heart. Let this holiday season be filled with creativity, mindfulness, and joy. Keep recycling, keep crafting, and keep spreading the warmth of handmade beauty. Thank you for joining the cozy creative journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Thank you. Be a part of this journey, and we are trying to bring that amazing and unique ideas for everyone who wants to create something. Who is watching this video? May your home fulfilled with love and happiness together. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We are trying to bring that amazing and unique design. We are going to tell you amazing and unique creation. So in this video we are sharing amazing and unique designs for everyone who wants to make a different hand huge collection. So thank you for watching here. Thank you for being very nice to us. Thank you for commenting on my channel. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Wishing you a very happy Xmas Decor. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Wishing you a very happy festival. God bless you all. Bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful journey.